Hello everyone, it's Kyle here from Kylecraft Games YouTube channel as well as the Gator Media Hockey Roundtable. I just wanted to show you a neat feature here from my guys here at Pete and Pedro, company that I am an ambassador for, and it's this cool build kit. Also, if you look there, uh, Villain won't launch until June, which it pushed back a month, which kind of sucks, but that's alright, it happens. And this cool new system here, the build kit, it's it's basically, I guess I'll just read it to you. Build your own hair care and grooming kit, and it goes through all. There's 8 of these things here that you get to go through and pick, and you have a choice of picking multiples of these, or I mean, if you don't need it, just click "Don't Need," move on to the next one. And let's go through this, and I'll put together a cart, and let's get right to it. I have used the clean one. It's really good. It's a great smelling product, and it will actually make your hair super nice. I think I'm gonna go with this Bold Bourbon for 16 bucks. I'm not sure if that's American or Canadian at the moment. Guess I'll figure that out. And I'm gonna go. I've tried this condition. It's also a really nice product. It's again got a really good. It's got a peppermint scent to it, and it makes your hair super awesome, super soft. But I'm gonna go with this Cowboy Tobacco Cream Conditioner. Never tried it before either. It's new since last time I've ordered. I need sea salt spray because I am almost out. And I think that's all I'll get from that category, the pre-stylers. And now this category here, I don't need anything from because I have enough Pete and Pedro putty, which is my hair product of choice. So I'm going to go don't need here. I mean, you can get styling clay, paste, cream. There is a hair quiz that you can do the hairstyling quiz, and it'll tell you which product works best for you with your hairstyle, the way you do your hair. It gives you a good recommendation. There's a bunch of different products here, and also a hairspray to help hold it. But I will go don't need since I don't need anything of that. I don't know if I need anything from this either because I have the Scalp Massager. This thing's amazing. I recommend investing in one of these. I have actually this comb and brush kit. I also have the nail trimmers. I have this thing. This thing is unbelievably awesome. It's got a little port in the bottom. You just fill up whatever cologne you have. Just pump it. It fills it right up, and it works amazing. I don't use this loofah, but loofahs are awesome. I have this foot file. It works pretty good too. And this hairbrush, I got it in that kit. And this comb is nice too. I have that as well. Don't have the tweezer. I like the dot bag. I've given the kit away as presents as well. It's awesome, but I don't need anything from that category, so we'll move on. Body washes. I'm gonna go with, I think maybe this Desperado for 19 bucks here, because I've used both the silver and the gold and the bronze, and they're all very good products. So let's keep going. Since I am follically challenged when it comes to growing beards, I do not need anything from this, but there's a bunch of great products in here. I've never personally used them. Like I said, I'm follically challenged when it comes to facial hair. But there's one thing I am going to actually put in the cart here. Actually, I don't know if it's part of here or not, because Pete and Pedro is having it's going away sale. They're discontinuing some products, and hopefully I can actually get the cool little cup, and it's actually on sale. I've used all these 3 so far, but I'm out of Rebel, so I think I'm gonna get Rebel for 49 bucks here. And then there's my cart choice. I have $120 here as my total. I'm not sure if this is Canadian or American. I guess I'll find out after when I go to checkout. But yeah, I got the shampoo, I got the conditioner, sea salt spray, the body wash, and the cologne. So then I'll go check out. Actually, I gotta go put that little thing in the cart first, but when it comes in, I'll give you guys a video, a review of all these products I've never used before. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, and use the code KCROFT10 for 10% off, unless you get yourself a better deal like this down here, but still use our link. If you use my link here, I'll still get a little kickback for sending you their way. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.